pet parents, did you know that over 80% of dogs show signs of dental disease by age 3?
Yikes.
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 Yikes. Ooh, yikes.
But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and whiten your dog's teeth so that they stay healthy, fresh, and strong. From daily brushing to easy alternatives like chews, water additives, and diet changes, I'll break it all down so that you can find the best routine for your pup. Because just like us, dogs do need daily dental care to prevent plaque buildup, bad breath, and costly vet bills. We don't like those. So stick around all the way to the end and I will share my top whitening tips to keep those canine chompers looking their absolute best. So let's get started. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. 1, it prevents gum disease and tooth decay. Plaque and tartar don't just cause bad breath, although they do cause that as well. They lead to gum disease though, painful infections, and even tooth loss. Once tartar hardens, it may need to be removed by a veterinarian. That's why daily maintenance is key. Number 2, it protects internal organs. Poor dental hygiene isn't just a mouth problem. Bacteria from infected gums can enter your dog's bloodstream, which is pretty scary, and that can affect their heart, liver, kidneys. Keeping those teeth clean isn't just cosmetic, it's life-saving in some cases. Number 3, it saves you money. Professional cleanings can be anywhere like $300 to $800 or way more depending on the severity of the work that they need to do. And if your dog needs extractions, oh boy, it's gonna get pricier from there. A few minutes of care each day can prevent expensive vet visits. All right, let's talk about brushing your dog's teeth. Because just like humans, dogs need it every day to prevent plaque buildup. But here's how to do it the right way. Step 1, choose the right tools. Dog-friendly toothpaste is a must. Never use human toothpaste. Many human toothpaste contain xylitol, which is toxic to dogs. And go for an enzymatic toothpaste, which helps break down plaque. Here are some toothbrush options. You can look at a dog toothbrush. Usually they're long-handled with soft bristled. A finger brush, which can be good for beginners and small dogs. Or you can just opt for gauze wrap. You can wrap it around your fingers because some dogs don't like the actual toothbrushes, so it can be a nice alternative. And I'm talking standard medical gauze. You can just use some, wrap it right around your finger. Step 2, introduce brushing slowly. If your dog is not used to having their teeth brushed, don't just dive right into it. You need to ease into it. Let them lick the toothpaste off your finger to start. And then let them chew on the toothbrush. This is still a great way to clean your dog's teeth, and you can stay at this level until they feel comfortable with the actual brushing motion. Number 3, gently rub your teeth with your finger or a soft brush in a preferred circular motion. Number 4, keep sessions short and positive. Lots of praise, treats, dental treats. Step 3, proper brushing technique. So you want to lift the lips to expose the teeth. Use a gentle circular motion on the outer surfaces and focus primarily on the gum line where plaque likes to build up. If they tolerate this, try brushing the insides of their teeth too, but generally they like that less. 30 to 60 seconds is pretty ideal, so if you can accomplish that, that's great. And pro tip, if daily brushing does feel impossible, aim for at least 3 to 4 times a week, but daily is always best. So I totally recognize not every dog loves a toothbrush, and that's okay. Here are some effective alternatives for you. Number 1, chewing. Any chewing. It always helps. Chewing is a natural way to scrape plaque off teeth and promote healthy gums. Even if your dog isn't using like a special dental chew, the act of chewing itself is beneficial for their teeth. So here are some options for you. You can go rubber chew toys like Kongs, Outward Hound, and textured dental toys can really help. Rope toys, some dogs enjoy gnawing on those, and that can really help clean between their teeth, kind of like flossing. Raw bones, never cooked. They can be great for scraping plaque off. Vet-approved dental chews. Another option is nylon chew toys with textured surfaces. So Kong dentals, Benabones, Nylabones, as long as they are safely chewing on the bone itself and you've selected the right toys for your dog's breed, size, and chew strength, then they're naturally cleaning their teeth. But as with anything, please monitor that your pet are not ingesting any pieces and they aren't over chewing either on toys, particularly like the Nylabones, which can become sharp and actually wear down their teeth. So just keep an eye on them. Another tip is if you have a dog that likes toothpaste but actually hates the act of brushing, you can add that toothpaste into a toy, like a rubber chew ball in those little grooves there, and then they have to chew on them with the toothpaste to get it. So 2 birds, 1 stone, right? So another alternative is water additives. So dental rinses like water additives work kind of like mouthwash for dogs. They contain enzymes and antibacterial agents that reduce plaque and freshen breath, which is great. So add the recommended amount to your dog's water bowl daily. Look for a VOHC, Veterinary Oral Health Council approved brands. That is a mouthful. Dental sprays and wipes can also be helpful. Sprays help break down plaque and kill bacteria, and wipes can work great for dogs who are resistant to brushes. So just rub along the teeth and gums. But these aren't generally as effective at brushing, but it is better than nothing. So dogs, perhaps like seniors or those with dental issues, traditional chewing options may not work for them. However, you can still keep their teeth clean with friction-based feeding methods. So stuff a Kong, a Topple, or a lick mat with their soft food diet. The licking and the scraping motion against the rubber surfaces do help to provide gentle friction to help remove plaque. Now here's an important note. If your dog has loose teeth or severe dental issues, be cautious with this method. Avoid causing them any pain and discomfort by having anything knock loose, or it could just be painful in their mouth in general. So just be cautious. If you do have a senior dog, just make sure their mouth is healthy enough for this method. Now here are my tips for stained teeth. So if you want those pearly whites to shine, here is how to whiten your dog's teeth safely. So number 1, enzymatic toothpaste with baking soda. So some dog toothpastes contain gentle whitening agents like baking sodas to help lift stains, but be careful as they are not suitable for all dogs since baking soda can be abrasive. Number 2, coconut oil rub. So just dab a little bit of organic coconut oil onto a toothbrush or gauze and rub it onto their teeth. It does have antibacterial properties and it helps brighten their smile. Number 3, hard raw foods. So like veggies or fruits can act as a natural toothbrush since they're kind of like a chewy treat and they're a really nice healthy alternative. But number 4, you can't avoid it, professional cleanings for deep stains. If your dog's teeth are heavily stained or covered in a really thick tartar, a vet cleaning may be needed before starting at-home whitening. You kind of have to get it worked out before you can kind of do the at-home stuff, which is much less than what a vet can do. Now, every dog is different, so find a routine that's going to fit your lifestyle and your dog. So the best option is daily brushing plus chews plus water additives. That's going to get you the best. Now, a minimal effort routine is going to look a little bit different than this. You're going to be looking at maybe chews plus the water additive and plus, if you can manage, occasional brushing. Now, if you have a senior dog or a dog with a sensitive mouth, your options are basically wipes, water additives, and soft dental treats. Even small changes can make a really big difference. Cleaning your dog's teeth at home could be the difference of basically a whole vacation's worth of money. But should you clean your dog's ears too? Well, I answer that question in this video right here.